Hey, hello, hi, namaste, guys. Jai Jagannath. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, guys, in this video, I'll be telling you, as you can see from the title, we'll be doing an overclocking and undervolting of my GPU graphics card. How to do that, I'll tell you in a step-by-step process. Very easy to understand. You will not find any other video. So, before that, subscribe to this channel if you are new, and don't forget to give a like and comment, give a thumbs up at the end of the video. Do like and comment. So let's start with the video. Before starting with the overclocking settings, let me tell you guys, overclocking is used to increase the FPS of your game, to increase the overall performance of your game. So before that, you need a software called MSI Afterburner. You need to install the software to overclock the settings of your graphics card. So I'll let you know how to do it. Open your browser, search for MSI burner, Afterburner. Here you will find, if you have Windows 10, you can download for Windows 10, or else you can download here from this site. As you can see, this is the latest version. Download the latest stable build. I will download this one. After clicking on that, the download will start. As you can see, the download has started. Let me pause the video till the download completes. So as you can see here, the setup file has been downloaded, the zip file has been downloaded. We'll unzip it, extract the file, and you can see the folder has come here, and you need to launch this file, MSI Afterburner. I'll click this one, and the setup will start. And the process is really easy. Just click on next and it will get installed. It's already installed in my system, so I'm not installing it. So I'll cancel the setup. Let's start with the software. So this is the software interface, guys, and so how to overclock. Let me tell you first how to overclock. So this is the minimal settings. This is the normal settings that you have. So if you want to overclock your GPU, you need to go to the settings. First, you need to, in the properties, MSI burner properties, you need to unlock voltage control, unlock voltage monitoring, and force constant voltage. This setting you have to turn on and apply, and it will ask you to restart. So you need to restart the system to take to make the changes to take effect. So after that, you unlock the voltage MV. You can see 743 millivolt, which is showing. And for overclocking, you need to go to the curve editor. As you can see, this is the curve of the graphics card. Here in the left side, it's a frequency. In the left side, it's frequency of the graphics card, and on below you can see the voltage. You need to adjust it. So suppose I want to keep the settings of the graphics card to overclock it, I need to increase the frequency. Okay, alright. So what you can do is either use the curve editor, or you can use the core clock and memory clock. In core clock, first you need to increase to here. You can increase, because see, if you increase a little more amount to see whether it matches your graphics card settings or the system doesn't crashes. Because if you put improper settings to your graphics card, then the system may crash. So it will increase a little bit value of 50 here, will increase, and check whether the settings works for our graphics card. Then again we'll increase it to 100 here. You can put the value is 100 here, and check whether the graphics card works fine. Then we'll find in this way we'll increase 50, again we'll increase 50, 150. We'll check well, if the system doesn't crashes while playing games. So this is the sweet spot, you can say. So this is about the core clock. With the same thing we can do for the memory clock. You can increase value of plus 50. Okay, plus 50, that means, yeah, here you are increase the memory clock, means here 6800 plus 50 will come here. Okay, so that will be 7, that will be around 600 850. If you increase it to 200, then this one becomes 6800 plus 200, that is 7000 megahertz. That means you are overclocking the graphics card. Whatever amount it is capable of, you are increasing it to its full energy, to the full potential. So here we can increase it 50 above. We can again, you can change it to 250. We should be changing it to a little bit more amount, because as you know, it may be unstable. So we'll find the sweet spot for the memory clock also. So for my system, the memory clock is around 250, so it works fine. So same with the power limit. Here you can increase the power limit to the full 104. You can go up to 104, or you can say 110 you can give. It's not going 104. It is the maximum limit it supports is 104 for my graphics card only, which is the nvidia RTX GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. So if you want to use the AI to know your graphics card optimal settings, you can use the AI also. Like I can show you to you how to use the AI. See, go to chat GPT. Here you can ask the AI what kind of settings do you want. I want overclock settings. I want stable overclocking settings. For my graphics card RTX 3060 Ti graphics card. So if you enter this, it will give you the settings. If you don't know how to overclock, what is the right setting, here it will give you the amount. See, clock offset is 50 to 100, and memory clock offset is 509. As I've told you, I increased it to 250. It's good for me. Plus 250 works good for me. But you can still experiment with 500 to 900. Whatever is suitable for your graphics card, that you can keep the settings. You have to experiment a little bit, but don't experiment too much. Like, don't give the megahertz to so much that your graphics card may burn. So take the risk at your own risk. Take the risk and find the optimal settings. So power limit, here you can see 105 to 110%. Here in my graphics card it's about to 104%, and temperature limit 83 degree to 85 degrees, which was good for my graphics card. And as I've told you, testing procedure is increase core clock by 50 Hz only, increase 50 for megahertz also, for voltage also. Okay, so this is how you can do it. And let me here plus 101 is clock offset, offset is plus 100. Here plus 100 you can give, and here memory clocks you can start with as I've told you, it's safe to start with 50, but it's given plus 500 900, depends on your graphics card. If it can handle, then you can give that way. So temperature limit also, here you can get 80 to 85, means you can start with 80, go on further 5 degrees more. And temperature limit, as you can see, it increases and decreases depending on the power limit only. So few graphics cards support this. If your graphics card supports this, then automatically if you increase the power limit, you don't have to change anything in the power limit. And fan speed, it's auto. on is there. So this is how you will be doing the overclocking setting, guys. If you have any queries, let me know, and let me tell you the undervolting settings, how I do it. So in case of undervolt settings, here you can see what my safe side is. Like for my graphics card I am using is, if it's getting too hot, then what I do is, in the curve editor, you have to come to the curve editor. Okay, in the curve editor you just go to the 750. Here you can see 750 volt you will allow. This will increase, like here 750 is there. You will first you need to decrease the value and apply the settings. Okay, then curve editor, this is undervolting we are doing. Okay, so in the 750 you need to go to the 1500. You can keep it to 1500 to 1900 as per your needs. You can experiment and see the best results for your graphics card and keep it that way. So as you can see here, you can keep it till 1500. So it's there. Press the up arrow to increase exactly to 1500. Okay, so settings now, press the apply button. Now you need to press the apply button here, so the line gets straight. Okay, so the settings is applied. This is the best works for my graphics card at RTX 3060. You can check it for your graphics card too. So the graphics card is now undervolt, and power limit also I keep it to 65 to 70 in that way. And if you want to keep the you want to save the settings, here is the lock is there. You can unlock it and then save the settings. If you want to save in one, it will get saved. This one will get saved, then apply. Hit the apply button, it will get saved, so that you don't have to again if it gets reset, you don't have to again and again set it manually. So here you can see 750 is there, megavolt, it will go max. And the same way you can search it through AI. I want to, here as you can see, I have written I want a stable undervolt settings. For my RTX. So it will give you the optimal settings, stable settings for here. So here it is telling you aim for 1900 to 1950 megahertz here, and 900 to 925 volt, depend on your performance of your graphics card. And see, this works best. This works best, as I've told you. 950 I have given 750. Here it's given 875. Core clock you can adjust to 1875 hertz. Here is the core, you can adjust it manually. 1875 1875 hertz. Here since 6298 you can deduct it that way. So I had kept into 1500 to 750. As you can see, I have kept to 750 to 1500. Here it is selling 1875 will be the 1875, and 875 will be the safe one. So in this way you will adjust. Power limit you can give 100 to 105%, but in case of undervolt I will suggest you to give it to 80% or 70 to 80%. It is also telling here expected results here. Power draw 150 to 160 watt, and temperature drops to 18-15 degrees Celsius. So guys, if you find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and do like and comment. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel. I will see you in another video. Till then, bye bye, see you, take care.